tutorial you guys. Paano magka-voice chat? Add nyo to guys. Add nyo to. Ito add nyo to kasi ECC ko to guys. Naka-online lang ngayon. So this is my second ACC for my brother. Guys, papakita ko sa iyo kung paano magka-mic up. Ito guys, mic up. Kung makikita nyo, ito, yan o. Ayan guys. So, ganito lang talaga yung chat ko. Ayan, kita nyo yan guys. So, patagalit talaga yan guys. So, at paano magsariling voice chat.